small startup is somewhere between 3 and 30 people. And at this stage, there's very little process in terms of how they hire. So these are kind of companies that haven't yet hit their growth stage. So you probably won't be talking to a hiring manager or a recruiter. Most likely, the best approach would be to basically just approach to whoever is in charge of kind of the function you're applying for. So that's why you need to be prepared to wear many hats and also be very kind of nimble in terms of how you approach the company. So it's not something where you just send in your cover letter with like, I'm a very open person and I'll get along well with people, and that's it. You kind of need to really define what you see as interesting in their business and what value you could bring to that, or what in particular you're interested in working at their company. Then if we look at medium startups, maybe around 50 to 150 people have raised their A or B round, so probably over 10 million in funding, I would say. They're usually in an early part of the growth stage, so have a proper process, have hiring managers, so you'll likely be going through multiple rounds of interviews before actually getting hired. The tasks are somewhat more specialized and more thought out, so you basically won't just be dropped into the deep end of the pool and expected to swim. You'll likely have a lot more guidance in terms of how you get started, what your job is going to look like, who your manager is, and things like that. And then you have the really big ones. So if it's 150 people plus, going through a rapid growth phase, they have a really segmented kind of hiring process, and even more specialized and distinct teams. And I think those are great opportunities if you have kind of a very clear niche on what you want to focus on.